The heated seat system can make cold day driving a little more pleasant. You'll find the control buttons on the center instrument panel below the touchscreen. You can also access the heated seat controls through the touchscreen. Push the heated seat button once to choose high, twice to choose medium, or a third time to choose low. Push the heated seat button a fourth time to turn the feature off. If equipped, you can also set your driver's heated seat and heated steering wheel to activate at specific temperatures. From Settings, scroll to Auto On Comfort. From here, select Auto On Driver Heated Seat and Steering Wheel with Vehicle Start. When selected, the driver's heated seat and steering wheel will automatically turn on at temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.4 degrees Celsius. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.